Hi everybody, this is the PoplarTrees backpack. I really like this backpack because it has so much room. The pockets are padded so you can actually fit a computer in here. And then on this back part has room enough to fit a tablet, and it is also padded. Right here are straps that you can use to easily clip the backpack onto your stroller. You can carry it like this as a tote, or you can wear it as a backpack. It has two main compartments. This one zips and lays down flat, and it has two pockets for bottles or for clothes, whatever you need to put in there. Then it has a netted pocket that zips to put whatever you need to in there as well. The front pocket is an insulated bottle pocket. It has a waterproof fabric lining, has a small zipper compartment, and it has space with insulated pockets for a bottle here and a bottle here. Then two little pockets right here you can stick pins in or whatever you need. Again, this is a PoplarTrees diaper bag. On the side, there's a pocket for you to place wipes in, and it has an easy access opening. On the other side is a pocket that has room enough to put a water bottle in for mom or dad. What I really love about this backpack is that it's a unisex color and design. My husband feels very comfortable wearing it as well. The straps easily adjust. It's very stylish and fashionable, and it serves a great purpose. The largest compartment has a diaper changing pad. It's padded and it's very durable. Also in the main zipper compartment, there's enough room for all my items. It has a zipper pocket on the inside to secure your belongings. As well, it also has an elastic pocket to keep separate items. The main compartment is very roomy and spacious. You could fit a lot of stuff in here. I would say this is enough. If you have triplets, you could fit all of your items that you need in this backpack. It's roomy without being too massive. It's very cute and compact as well, but you have everything that you need right there. The material is super nice as well. Again, I'll just go through and show you some of the additional features. There's also a zipper pocket right here. It's very deep to secure more belongings. There is a zipper pocket in the front, and it is this deep. Here is the wipes pocket. And here's a pocket for your water bottle. This is a pocket you can fit a tablet in. It zips all the way down to the base. It is a padded pocket on both sides so that your tablet will be very secure in there. I've even carried a laptop in this book bag in the main compartment because it is also padded. On the back there is a space that if you needed to, you could put a sweatshirt or something right there. And as I said, these stroller clips are super easy to use. They just snap right on and come right off. It is a very secure clip. What a nice backpack this is.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to order this backpack for yourself, please see the link in my description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more.